Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be verified on Tinder. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder and sign in. On the home page, tap your profile icon at the top left. Here, at the right of your name and age, you can see a check mark, so tap on it. The verification process is to make sure that the pictures on your profiles are actually you. You will need to take 2 selfies and Tinder will compare them to your profile pictures. So tap Next and tap Verify Me. You are now given a pose, so take a picture of yourself in that pose. Similarly, take another picture with the second pose. Once you are done, submit the pictures and tap OK. The green clock at the right of your name and age means that your pictures are under review and Tinder will get back to you within 3 days. And that's how you can be verified on Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.